In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable local administrator account in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable local administrator account in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management, expand local users and groups. Now click on Users, and here you will find administrator account and it's disabled. Right click on administrator, click on properties, and look here, the account is disabled. Just uncheck this option and then click on apply, click on OK. Now you need to set password for administrator. Right click on administrator and click on set password, click on proceed, type the new password, confirm password, click on OK. Password is set, click on OK again. This is the easiest way to enable administrator user account in Windows 11 computer.